Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to show you this unit by XRSBEAUTY. I'm obsessed with this unit and the packaging. I love this box. This is their website, but I will link everything down below. First, I want to show you what I got and what is in this box. I will show you the unit first, but you know, my favorite thing to do is look at the little goodies that each company gives me, and XRS was not stingy. They gave me and spoiled me with so many things. So first are these clips. I use these in every tutorial. They get lost like crazy, so I definitely love that they gave me these. And then they gave me an elastic band in case I wanted to lay my wig extra tight. And then they also gave me a pack of 5 lashes, you guys, and they are beautiful. They're just stunning, you guys. They're so dramatic, and I can see myself totally wearing these with like a no makeup look, with just like foundation, no eyeshadow. I think these are like, you know, really cute, and I just see myself rocking these. And then they also gave me what we all need when we are installing, which is a wig cap. So shout out to them. I do want to show you guys the unit itself, and I'm just stunned by the quality straight out the box, girl. But here's the information about the wig. It is a 14-inch, and it's like a water wave texture. It's really curly and really soft. So this is how the wig comes packaged. You saw it was in that plastic, but what they also do, an extra step, is they put like a hairnet over the hair just to keep the curls in place. And as you can see, the quality is just stunning, you guys. Even straight out the box, it's shiny, and it had that little plastic or like cardboard thing inside it just to keep the shape of the wig. But this is how it looks inside, and this is the curl, guys. This is the factory curl. Imagine how it looks when it's done. So this is the frontal. It is a frontal, you guys, an ear to ear 13x6, and this is the bottom. It's basically got clips and hooks, and the tracks are sewn beautifully, and like everything is perfect. It's done very well. And even the quality itself, guys, this hair had no smell. It did not shed like crazy, and it was pre-plucked. As you can see, it was plucked in a middle part, but because it is a frontal, you can do whatever you want with it. So all I'm really gonna do is break the factory curls. I didn't even need to do this, honestly. The factory curls came beautiful, but I'm gonna break them because I want to put some gel on the hair, and I wanted to also show you how it looks when it's fluffy. You can wear this hair fluffy, but yeah, I am gonna define the curls. And as you can see, like, it is a beautiful texture, and it's very well made. So all I'm doing for customization is I'm going to tint the lace with my foundation. I'm gonna put it all over that lace part. It is beautifully plucked, so I really didn't need to do too much to this hair. All I need to do was just tint that lace and pop it on my head, girl, and do an install. So I'm tinting it with a foundation just so that it can match my skin better. And I recommend that everybody does this. Even if you bleach your knots, I recommend you tint your lace. And then all I'm gonna do is cut my lace, and just make sure that I'm cutting in a zigzag motion just so that the hair doesn't look wiggy. I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm keeping it in the middle part, so I'm just going to cut the lace. I don't have a lot of work to do. And then I'm going to pop the hair on my head, and I want to show you how seamlessly it melts. This hair is not even like installed. It's not even glued to my hair, but look at it. Like, it looks so good. And I love the 14-inch. Normally when I get a water wave, I get it a bit shorter, maybe 12, maybe 10, but 14 is actually the wave. I actually really like 14. I want to try 16. Guys, I like this hair. I loved what it did, so I'm like, you know, looking for like other options that are similar. But I'm going to use those pins that they gave me earlier, and I'm going to pin my hair back and flip the lace. And then I'm taking the black got2b, and I'm basically just going to spread this all over my hairline, and then take a I'm going to take a hair dryer and then make the glue tacky so that I can push the lace onto the glue and kind of install it. Literally, it's so simple. I did not have to do too much, and the lace itself was pretty stretchy. I like stretchy lace. It was not stiff, so the installation was perfect. It was so easy, and yeah, I just enjoyed this install. It did not even take that long. I think I took a 15-minute install, and like it was perfect. Like I loved working with this hair in general. So once my hair is installed, I'm going to take like a head wrap and I'm going to tie it on my hairline just to melt the lace. And yeah, I'm just going to keep it there while I do my makeup. But before I do my makeup, I'm going to like tie this onto my head and everything, and I'm going to keep it there. But I am going to define the curls just a little bit. I'm going to take my water bottle. Now, this is a continuous spray water bottle that I got from Discam. And basically, I'm going to put some water on this hair to kind of activate the curls. Like I said, you can wear this hair super curly, just like brushed out or whatever. I think that's a really cute look for like summer. Or you can do what I'm doing and define the curls. So I'm putting the water on the hair, and then I'm going to like rub it into the hair and define the curls. And then I'm going to take some gel. I don't have to take like a hectic gel. I'm not taking like a Got2b or anything. I'm just going to take like a normal styling gel. And I'm going to take some of that, put it in my hands, and rub it all over the hair. Now, what this is going to do, if I took a lot of it, it was going to give me the wet look. But just taking a little bit, just like one scoop of it and putting it all over my hair, it's basically going to just define the curls and kind of lock them in place, just so that they aren't breaking as easily. Just putting water does evaporate, so the hair was going to get poofy again, but I'm sealing that water and sealing that curl with the gel. So after my makeup is done, girl, literally all I'm doing is taking off the hair tie and I'm done. If you guys enjoyed this, then do go into my description box. I will have the details of this hair. I won't lie to you, I highly recommend this hair just because of the quality. It is soft to the touch. It is a beautiful length. I love the way they cut it. I love everything about it. I would definitely rock this hair like everywhere in the summertime, especially because the length is like workable. It's not too short, so it's not going to get frizzy quickly, but it's also not too long where it's just like high maintenance. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, go into my description box. I'll have the link to the store. I'll have a discount code if I have one, and everything you need. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.